Joining me today to discuss cybersecurity is Lior Frenkel, who's co-founder and CEO of Waterfall Security Solutions. Welcome, Lior.
Thank you, Sid. Happy to be here.
As you well know very, very well, cybersecurity, industrial cybersecurity has a lot of different technologies and people doing lots of things. And so can you kind of frame where Waterfall fits?
Sure. Well, what we are trying to do, which is a bit different than what you can see in other technologies, what we are mainly focused on is preventing breaches from happening. The Waterfall technology, the Unidirectional Security Gateway, is a technology that allows you to integrate, to share data from closed industrial control systems of various types with the outside world, may it be the corporate network, third parties, or cloud services, but in a way that will prevent any attack whatsoever from getting back in. So as we see it, the main target of security in industrial control environments is preventing those attacks. All the rest is nice and should be, but it's second to prevention.
You know, one thing we see in a lot of our research and a lot of things we talk about at ARC is about the industrial Internet of Things. And a key part of that is deployment of devices and things within plants. And I know you've got a sort of security solution to protect plants, but what about for IoT? Is that a different case or anything unique there?
Yeah, well, in many perspectives, it's the same, and in others, it's different. So we have introduced a new technology recently in last year, which is called the Unidirectional Cloud Connect, which is a special version of our Unidirectional Security Gateway, purposely built for cloud deployment. Of course, for cloud deployment for industrial sites, where we solve the two main issues that these types of deployment have. The first and foremost is security, which we solve naturally by our unidirectional technology. And the second one is that we help dramatically reducing the complexity of those deployments. Our technology gathers data from within the site, from all of the various types of systems and industrial systems and IT systems that are used, converts all of that to a shared medium, a shared type of protocol, if you may, sends it out and then publishes it to the cloud. And by that, it simplifies the deployments, reduces the need from the cloud services to know all of those protocols and know anything specific for the site, and make those deployment fast and seamless. I think the market reaction we're getting from this is very, very strong. We have quite a few deployments already, and it's going on very well. So I think we hit on something very good.
Oh, very good. One thing is the helping customers justify investments in cybersecurity. That can be a challenge. Can you kind of give some insight into how Waterfall helps with that?
Yeah, well, in a way we don't. I mean, I don't think we need to justify expenditure on security. Okay, I think what we are doing, and I think we're doing it quite well, is showing how our technology helps our customer meet their own goals. Because if you put aside security companies, nobody else makes money out of security. So our customers don't win because of security. They win because they produce more, more energy, because they sell more water, or because they manufacture more cars. And what we need to show them is how our technology gets in line with their main needs and helps them meet their goals. Our technology does that by reducing downtime, by allowing them to share data in real time and make decisions better without degrading their security posture and things like that. And when that is the level of discussion with the customer, they buy in. They don't need more justifications.
So it's the argument of being an enabler.
Yes.
which is very good. There's been a lot of talk, like here at this event, as well as in the news, about a lot of serious cyber attacks lately. How's that impacted your clients?
Well, naturally we
And your
can't.
customers?
Yeah, naturally we can't share names and everything, but I think that what has changed is that there are no. The market has changed. Well, not the market. The landscape has changed from a few big events, which are mainly, have a nation state, flavor for them, to a much more regular attacks, which each of which is smaller. So it's not that the attacks became bigger; it's that they became smaller, but much more regular. And the big change that moved to that is the introduction of ransomware for ICS environments. This made our customers understand that they are real targets, and quite a few of them actually were attacked already, or had a peer company that was attacked, and this moved their attention towards, hey, we are legitimate targets, and we can't be so easily exposed as we are today. And I think this, in a weird way, this is a good thing, because we see a very fast movement towards getting better security, being more protected against these types of attacks.
Yeah. One other thing I just wanted to ask you about is partnerships have become very popular these days. Partnerships, collaboration, whatever you might call them. And a lot of the people in the cybersecurity industry in particular are doing a lot around partnerships. So I'm just wondering what the Waterfall strategy or approach is to partnerships, and is that a major thing, and how would you go about it, or what are you interested in? What kind of partners are you looking for?
Yeah, well, thank you for that question. Historically, most of our partners were technology partners. Those partners where we made sure that our products work well together, or made the integration between our products to provide a joint solution to our customers, but more on the technology side. What we are doing recently is partnering with partners where it's more on the commercial side, where we jointly go to customers and bring together more value to our customers. I think the recent and the most strategic partnership that we have to date is our partnership with FireEye, where our unidirectional Cloud Connect technology that we talked about earlier is used by them to, in a way, enable their Helix technology, their FireEye as a service cloud service, to be provided to their industrial customers. And it's going on very, very well. It's been received very well by customers, and this is going to be a very big success this year.
Well, thank you, Lior. It's always a pleasure to talk to you.
Yeah, same here. Thank you.
Today we've been talking with Lior Frenkel, who's co-founder and CEO of Waterfall Security Solutions. Thank you for watching.